Sup, Kill Too Technical. I'm back again with another video. So pretty much this video, I caved, guys. I caved. I know I made a video the other day. Well, not the other day, a couple of weeks ago, talking about the colors of the iPhone 16 Pro Max and how I wasn't going to upgrade and how I was going to hold on to my iPhone 15 Pro Max and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Well, I caved. Today, after I got off of work, I went into Best Buy. I pre-ordered an iPhone 16 Pro Max with AT&T because I paid off two of my devices, and that made my iPhone 15 Pro Max be upgrade eligible. And pretty much that is the only reason why I went and did it. And also because the 2 extra inches on the iPhone 16 Pro Max, I needed that in my life. Like, I love big phones. This 15 Pro Max currently has a 6.7 inch screen display, but I love big phones, and pretty much that is why I did what I did. But I checked all into it and everything, and so on and so on. And with the upgrade that I did, it's not going to make my bill go up too high because I just paid off some devices. So it's pretty much going to stay where it's at. I think it's going to pretty much go up by $5. I know I told myself I was not going to get into another installment trap, but I did. But like I said, it's not bad because now I only have 3 lines on my AT&T account when I started off with 5 originally. So that's good. But pretty much that is the real reason why I upgrade, was because it was upgrade ready, eligible, and I didn't know that until I looked into it, and so on and so on. And I went in Best Buy to talk to them about it, and they were like, yes, that your phone is upgrade ready. And I was like, how? Because I just pre-ordered this last year when the iPhone 15 Pro Max came out, but they were just like, since you paid off 2 devices already, that sometimes bumps another device into being upgrade eligible, even if it's not paid off. So yes, I'll be starting all over, and I'm okay with it. I know a lot of people look down on it like, oh no, you should not go the carrier route because you're stuck with installments and so on and so on. I have learned my lesson. I'm not going to do it as much. I only did it with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's because with my iPhone, I plan to stay on AT&T with my iPhone. I'm not leaving AT&T with my iPhone, and if I get to a point where I pay off the phone and just buy one outright, I will still have the AT&T service for the calling and texting. So I'm okay with being stuck for 3 years with that device on AT&T, because the plan is to just have 2 devices left, and right now that will be my iPhone 16 Pro Max when it comes in, and then my Pixel Fold, and then every other phone that I have is unlocked. So I'm okay with my decision. I did my research before I did it, because at first I was just going to hold on to my iPhone 15 Pro Max and not get the 16 Pro Max, but that 2-inch screen, the 2-inch upgrade, the screen, and then the battery life, that made me want to give it a try. And plus, I haven't bought a new phone in a little minute, so I was itching to buy something so I could get some cases in and get some more content out for you guys. Even though I do say an iPhone is an iPhone is an iPhone, which that is true. It's just I like big phones, and when you're in this kind of industry or whatever, sometimes you just want to have the latest and greatest. Sometimes you're not always able to, but sometimes you want to, and it was my time to, get me something different, even though it's not a significant upgrade from the 15 Pro Max, I'll still check it out. I'm still excited to check it out and to see what it has to offer because of the 2-inch screen display, the 2 inches that it's gaining in the screen. And I believe one of the cameras are newer on the back. And then they have a button to where you can use it to just touch it to get to your camera and to use your camera and so on and so on. But yes, I wanted to bring this video to you guys. Yes, I caved. Yes, I do have an iPhone 16 Pro Max coming in next Friday. I'm actually glad that I'm still able to get mine on pre-order day, because last year when I pre-ordered my 15 Pro Max, I was having issues and I didn't get my device until October. But yes, I'm supposed to go to Best Buy and pick up my iPhone 16 Pro Max next Friday. So stay tuned. I will have more videos coming and I will catch you in the next video on that.